This video is comparing two action cameras at two different price points. So you have the Apeman A77 action camera, price range from £28 to £40, maybe up to £50, depends where you buy it from. Do a little research before you buy it, if you do buy it. Or this is basically the ones that is mostly seen on any online store. This is very cheap. We talk about ranging from £11 to under £20. So let's look at the camera itself. I bought a pink one. You can get them in different colours: white, gold, black. I just bought a pink one because it's so cheap. I will give it to my little girl so she can play with it. And the Apeman one, which usually comes in black. So size wise, pretty much the same, give or take a couple millimeters on the width. The length is the same. Footprint right is pretty much the same, and the design is pretty much the same. So what we'll do is, I'll switch it on later. We'll compare the kit first, what it comes with, and then we'll switch it on and we'll do a little filming using both cameras, doing pretty much around the same thing, and we'll compare the images and a bit of function as well. You can see. Okay, let's move out of the way. So both of them comes with waterproof casing. Apeman one, so open up. It's a very simple hinge design from the front opening, but the cheaper version is actually more interesting. It's got a little lock on there. You pull it to one side, flip from the front, and then it unlocks it. So this one comes with a little lock on the cheaper version, but on the more expensive it doesn't. So this is very standard average casing. This one gave a little bit more thought and design with the little lock. So although the price is cheap on that, but it actually comes with a better waterproof casing. In regards to other kits, they both have 3 different types of straps. And then I've been playing with this earlier, so I just got to detach that. So it comes with the camera holder without the casing, both of them. Adhesion pad, fixing pad, clip, connect the clip, spare casing cover, charging cables, cleaning cloth, but Apeman comes with cleaning cloth, and it comes with some cable tie, additional self-adhesing pad, and the wire hooking strap. And what else they got? Fixing bar, connect kit. I think they're called saddle clamp. So they do come with that as well. What else they come with? Oh, sorry. They also come with cable tie and spare adhesive pad. And connection wise, let's see what else they come with. Rotating one. Basically that one is the same as that one on the top, which I've been start playing with them. And it comes with an angled one, which is same as this one down here. Additional clamping, same thing. Got another one there, clamping, which is that one here. Oh, looks like the Apeman one comes with 2 additional attachments. And Apeman comes with a spare battery as well. So, as well as control. Apeman one comes with control. This one does not. What I did also did is bought additional stands. They're about £1.50 each. Not very expensive. So I'll show you. It's quite simple. Just plug that into there, and then connect that onto there, and then off you go. That one, and then that one, put in the water case. So just pop it in there, lock it. Right, you need an additional clamping device. That's where one of these comes in. That's it. Connect it up. You can put a selfie stick if you want. There you go. Take it off the box. There you go. So you actually got 2 seconds. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to reset this scene to something else and use these screw cameras to film.